juice comes into the small intestine. So two types of juices are coming into the small intestine. Which are these? Number one, bile juice, that is from liver, and pancreatic juice, that is from pancreas. Okay, so these are digestive glands. So what is the function of bile juice? Bile juice digest the, that means it breaks the larger molecules, larger droplets of fat into smaller droplets. One thing, and another thing is that it makes the medium of the food alkaline. Okay, why? So that the enzymes in pancreatic juice also comes in the small intestine. So they contain some enzymes. These enzymes are trypsin, pancreatic amylase, and lipase. So these enzymes can work on the food, and they work only in the alkaline medium. Okay, so the bile juice makes the medium of the food alkaline. Previously in the stomach the food was acidic because mixing up with the HCl acid. Okay, now when from the stomach food comes into the small intestine, the bile juice makes it alkaline. Okay, alkaline, so that the juice, the enzymes of pancreatic juice work on the food and digest it. Okay, so in the small intestine, complete digestion of food takes place. Okay, and from the wall of the small intestine, in the wall of small intestine, there is presence of intestinal glands. Intestinal glands also secrete intestinal juice that contains some enzymes, okay, that help in complete digestion of the food. Okay, so there is the enzymes from the pancreas, that was trypsin. Trypsin digest the protein. Okay, then pancreatic amylase digest the starch. Okay, that means carbohydrate, and lipase, that is pancreatic lipase, that digest the fats. Fats were broken into small droplets, and that is further digested. Okay, then the action of intestinal juice starts. Intestinal juice also contains enzymes that digest carbohydrate, that means starch, protein, and fat. So enzymes of intestinal juice help in complete digestion of the food. So when the food is completely digested, then what happens? The final products of the digested food is that carbohydrate, that means starch, is converted into sugar. Sugar is the simplest form of carbohydrate. Then protein is converted into amino acid. Amino acid is the small unit of protein. Okay. Then fats are converted into fatty acids and cholesterol. Okay. This all digested food is utilized. We will discuss later. Digested food, that is the protein. Protein is utilized to build new cells and different types of other proteins that function in our body separately. So many types of protein are formed from the amino acids. Okay, these proteins help to build new cells and other different types of other proteins. Okay, then starch. Starch is converted into sugar and it is used to generate energy. It is used to release energy during the respiration. When we respire, energy is released from digested food, absorbed food. Okay, and excess sugar is stored in our liver cells in the form of glycogen, that when we not eat food, those glycogen convert into the glucose and give us energy. And the fatty acids and glycerol that convert into fat, that is stored in our under our skin, in and around the internal organs, and these fatty fats also provide us energy when required. Okay, so this was the final product of digestion. Now, absorption of food is also takes place in the small intestine. I just told you that in the wall of small intestine there are finger-like projections. Those are called villi. Villi contains a large number of blood capillaries. In the blood capillaries, the absorbed food mixed with the blood and supplied to every cells of our body. Then comes large intestine. What is the function of large intestine? In the large intestine, no any type of digestion takes place. In the large intestine, water from undigested food is absorbed. Okay, water from undigested food is absorbed and the undigested food is converted into fecal matter. Fecal matter is stored in the rectum part of the large intestine temporarily, and finally this fecal matter is expelled out from our body as the waste product when we go to toilet or latrine. Okay, so these were all about the digestion process in the human being. Okay, I hope you must have understand, and you will get the PDF from the school. In PDF you will have the notes, question answers, etc. And you must also purchase the book from the school, and you should also study the book. Okay, this video will help you the most. Okay, I hope for the betterment of you, and keep yourself safe, stay at home, don't go outside unnecessarily, or obey your parents, and give your time to your study. Okay, have a nice day. See you in the next video. Till now, goodbye.